Hello everyone, welcome to the certificate course on reasoning and quantitative techniques. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic of averages. So let us see what does averages are. Quantitative aptitude often involves working with the various type of averages, which are numerical representation of central tendencies within the data set. Average is defined as sum of all the terms in the group divided by number of items in the group. That is average equal to sum of observation divided by total number of observation. Or you can find total value equal to average given average into number of values. Average speed. Suppose a person covers a certain distance at x kilometer per hour and an equal distance at y kilometer per hour, then his average speed equal to 2 into xy divided by x plus y. Next, combined average. Suppose in a group, the average of n1 values, n1 set of values is x and average of another n2 set of values is y. Then the combined average of the entire group or the total value is given by n1 into x plus n2 into y divided by total, that is n1 plus n2. Okay, some of the points to remember. If the initial average of some number is x and if each number is multiplied by 2, then the new average will be 2 into x. Similarly, if each number is added by 2, then the new average will be x plus 2. Say for example, if the average of some 5 number is 20 and if each number is multiplied by 2, then the new average will be 20 into 2, that is 40. And if each number is added by 2, then the new average will be 20 plus 2, that is 22. Okay, let us solve some of easy simple questions on average. First question, what is the average of first 5 multiples of 12? Okay, we have the multiples of 12 are, we have that is, okay, we have 12. We will find the total of this. So 12 plus second one 24, then we have 36, then we have 48, then we have 60. So these are the first 5 multiples. So since we have to find the average, we need to find the total of this. So sum of all these 5 numbers will be equal to 180. Now therefore, average will be equal to, so we have the formula total sum of the observation divided by number of values. So total is 180 here. So 180 divided by number is 5. So 180 divided by 5, that is 36. So average of first 5 multiples of 12 is 36. Next question. If the average of 3 consecutive even number is 34, find the largest of these number. Okay. Now since the numbers are even number, so we'll take the numbers as, see if the first number is x, first even number is x, so second number will be x plus 2 since it is even, and the third number will be x plus 4. So these are the 3 consecutive even numbers. Now it is given that average of these number is 34. So what is average? So average is nothing but sum of the number, that is x plus 2 plus x plus 4 divided by total number of value is 3, that is equal to how much it is, 3x plus 6 divided by 3, so which is given as 34 here, or we can say 3x plus 6 is equal to 34 into 3, so 34 into 3 which is equal to 102, or you say 3x is equal to 102 minus 6, 3x is equal to 96, or x is equal to 96 divided by 3 which is equal to 32. So here 32 is x. So the smallest even number is 32 and the next number is 32 plus 2, that is 34. And the third one, 32, 34 plus 2, that is 36. So the largest number or the required answer is 36. Ten typists can type 600 pages in 8 hours. Find the average number of pages typed by each typist in an hour. So what is given? Total pages typed by 10 typists in 8 hours. 10 typists in 8 hours is 600. Okay, that is 600. So pages typed by one typist in 8 hour will be 600 divided by 10. Okay, because 10 typist is given, so one typist divided by 10, 600 divided by 10, that is 60 pages. Now pages typed by one typist in 1 hour. So this 60 is for 8 hour. So for 1 hour it will be 60 divided by 8. So 60 divided by 8 is equal to 7.5 pages. So pages typed by one typist in 1 hour will be 7.5. Next question. The average of Sohan's marks in 6 subjects is 74. If his averages in 5 subjects, excluding science, out of this 6 subject is 70, how many marks is obtained in science? So what is given? Total marks obtained in 6 subjects. Average marks in 6 subjects is how much? That is 74. The average marks in 6 subjects is 74. Now we need to find the total. So total marks will be average into total subject. So 74 into 6. So 74 into 6 is 444. So this is total mark in 6 subjects. Now average marks in 5 subjects other than science is given as 70. So total marks will be in 5 subjects. So average marks into 5. So 70 into 5, that will be 350. So this is 6 subjects and this is 5 subjects. Now what is the difference here? Marks obtained in science. So marks obtained in science will be, this is a total in 6 subjects minus total in 5 subjects other than science. So 444 minus 350, that will be 94. So marks obtained in science subjects is 94. Okay. Next problem. In the first 10 overs of a cricket game, the run rate was only 3.2. What should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach the target of 282 runs? So it is given first 10 overs run rate is 3.2. So total runs in 10 overs will be average run rate, that is run rate into total overs. So 3.2 into 10 is 32. So this is the runs in 10 overs. Now, what is the target run for 50 overs? That is 282. So this is for 50 overs, this is for 10 overs. Now, uh, so required run, okay, required run for the remaining 40 hours will be this target run minus runs in the 10 overs. So 282 minus 32, this will be 250. Therefore, this is the total run required for the remaining 40 hours. So run rate will be total run required divided by number of overs, that is 40. So 250 divided by 40 will be 6.25. So required run rate for the remaining 40 hours will be 6.25 per over. Next problem. A grocer has a sale of 6,435 rupees, 6,927, 6,855, 7,230 and 6,562 for a 5 consecutive months. how much sales must he have in the 6 months so that he gets an average sale of 6,500. Okay, for the 6 month average should be 6,500, and then what should be the sales for the 6 month? Now total sale for the 6 months, we have to add all the sales here. 6,435 plus 6,927 plus 6,855 plus 7,230 plus 6,562. So total is 34,009. Now uh, average sale for 6 months is 6,500. Okay, this is average sale for 6 months. So target sale for the 6 months. So it should be average sale multiplied with the number of months. So 6,500 into 6, that is 39,000. So the required sales for the sixth month will be difference of this. That is 39,000 minus 34,009 rupees. That is equal to, the difference is 4,991 rupees. So this should be the required sales for the 6th month. Okay. Next question. A family consists of 2 grandparents, 2 parents, and 3 grandchildren. The average age of the grandparent is 67 years. Average age of the parent is 35 years, and that of the grandchildren is 6 years. So what is the average age of the family? Okay, average age of a grandparent is given, that is 67 years. So total age of the grandparent will be average age multiplied by how many grandparents are there? There are 2 grandparents. So total age will be 67 into 2. So that is 134 years. So this is the total age of grandparents. Similarly, average age of the parent is 35, and there are 2 parents. So total age of the parents will be 35 average multiplied by 2, so that is 70 years. Now for the children, the grandchildren, average age is 6 years, and there are how many children? There are 3 grandchildren. So total age will be 6 into 3, that is 18 years. Now we have grandparents 134, parents 70 years, and kids 18 years. So total age of the family will be equal to 134 plus 70 plus 18. So that is equal to 222 years, and the average age will be 222 divided by total number of the people, that is 2 plus 2 grandparents, 2 plus 2 parents, 2 plus 2 4, and then kids 3. So 2 plus 2 plus 3, that is 222 divided by 7. So 222 divided by 7 will be 31.71 years. So this is the average age of the family. Next question. The average weight of 8 persons increases by 2.5 kg when a new person comes in place of one of them who is weighing 65 kilograms. So what might be the weight of the new person? Average weight increases, how much it is? 2.5 kg. So total weight increase will be 2.5 into, so when you group there are 8 persons, so 2.5 into 8, so 2.5 into 8 will be equal to 20. So this is the total weight increase. Now the person who left, his weight is 65 kilograms. Now, therefore, since there is a increase of 20 kilograms, total weight increases 20 kilograms, the weight of the new person will be the old weight of the person who left, plus how much is increased. Since it is increased, we are adding, okay? 65 plus 20, that is 85 kilograms. So this is the weight of the person who joined the group. Next question. A similar one. The average age of group of 30 boys is 16 years. If the boy of age 19 leaves the group and a new boy joins the group, and if the new average age of the group is 15.8 years, find the age of the new boy. Now, average of the age of 30 boys is how much it is? 16. So total age will be 16 into total boys, that is 30. So 16 into 30, that is 480. Now, the boy who left, okay, wait. Now, after the person leaves, the new average will be 15.8 years. Therefore, the total new age, okay, the new total age will be 15.8 multiplied by total number, that is 30. 15.8 into 30 will be equal to 474. Now, the person who left is 19 years. Now, the difference 480 minus, how much is the decrease here? We have 480 minus 474. So, there is a 6 years of decrease in the average, the total weight. So, this is the total age, okay, not weight. Total age decreases 6 years. Therefore, age of the person who leaves is 19, which is given. So, the age of person who joins will be 19. Since the weight is decreased, we have to subtract. So, 19 minus 6, that is the age of the new person will be 13 years. Okay, next problem. 4 years ago, average age of A and B was 20 years. If today's average age of A and B and C together is 25 years, what will be the age of C after 7 years? Now it's given 4 years ago, average age of A and B is 20 years. So total age, okay, since there are two, we have A and B. So total age of A and B together will be 20 into 2, that is 40. Now, this is 4 years ago. So, what will be the current total age of A and B? So, 4 years ago they are 40. Now, both are increased by 4 years. So, for A 4 years, for B also 4 years. So, 40 plus 8. So, that is 48 is the total age of A and B now. Now, it is given that average age of A and B and C, A, B and C together is 25. So what is the total age of A and B and C? So average age multiplied by, since you have A, B, C, 3 people, so 25 into 3, that is 75. Now, what is the difference? Here we have A, B and C. Here we have only A and B. So if you find the difference, you will get the age of C, the current age of C. So will be 75 minus age of A and B together. So 75 minus 48. So that will be equal to 27. So age of C after 7 years will be 27 is the current age, plus after 7 years, so 27 plus 7, that is 34 years. Okay, thank you. So we'll meet again in the next topic.